Imagine being in space, total silence, right? Wrong. In 2022, NASA released a sound recording from a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster, and it wasn't just noise. It was a deep, terrifying moan, like something alive was screaming from the darkness. If that creeps you out, hit subscribe. There's more the universe is hiding. But wait, how can sound even exist in space? Space is supposed to be a vacuum. No air equals no sound. But scientists discovered that in certain galaxy clusters, there's enough gas for sound waves to travel, meaning space is not silent. Some researchers say these sounds might be signals, maybe even warnings from ancient cosmic forces. What do you think that sound was? What do you think that sound was?